The 7-stroke roll, our second quaver roll. The 7-stroke roll has 3 buzzes on a beat because 3 buzzes will equal 6 and the 1 beat at the end will make it 7. Now we have to move the buzzes a little bit quicker this time because we have to get them in time. The 5-stroke roll basically just had 2 buzzes and a beat, but because we have to squeeze the 3 buzzes in the same time, basically it means we have to move them a little bit faster. So the 7-stroke roll will be like this. Starting on your right hand, 2, 4, 6, 7. If you start it in your left hand, 2, 4, 6, 7. Now the thing that's noticeable here is that if you start it on your right hand, the beat at the end will be on your left hand. If you start it on the left hand, the beat at the end will be on your right hand. So let's just play the 7-stroke roll exercise. Start with your pinch grip hand first. After 2. 1, 2. Beat. Buzz, 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 beat. Buzz, 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 beat. Left, right. Buzz, 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 beat. Buzz, 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 beat. Buzz, 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 beat. Left, right. Left. Buzz, 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 beat. Buzz, 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 beat. Right, left. Buzz, 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 beat. Buzz, 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 beat. Buzz, 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 beat. Right, left. Okay?